Do you want to be able to fix Instagram Reels lag problem? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can fix this specific issue. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So basically you need to watch this until the very end for it to work. So the first step is going to be for us to of course come to our Instagram app. And now when you're on your Instagram app, then what you're going to do firstly is to come to this page right here, as you can see. So basically go into your profile and then click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. Now when you're in here, then what you need to do is to click on settings in here, as you can see. So click on settings. Now we're going to scroll down and then click on help. So click on help in here. Now, of course, we need to click on report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem and click on include and continue. And perfect, you should now be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is great. Basically, the reason why you need to be taken to this page right here is because in here you're able to report this as a problem to the Instagram customer service, and they are the ones that can actually help us to fix this issue for our specific like account basically. So you need to write exactly like this now to them. I have issues with Instagram Reels lagging. I need this to be fixed, sorry, fixed as fast as possible. So you can write exactly like this now to the Instagram support. I have issues with Instagram Reels lagging. I need this to be fixed as fast as possible. Now, of course, click on send. Don't forget to click on send in the top right corner. Wait about 1 to 3 business days for like Instagram like customer service to be able to see this, and hopefully after that this issue should be solved for you, because I tried this exact thing myself, because I had really a lot of problems with Instagram Reels lagging for me before. Now I did this exact thing and now I don't get any lag whatsoever. So you can try this as well, and I hope that this will work for you. So I wish you the best day.